We're gonna weld on his spare tire mount that broke off. This is like 10 gauge, so I'm not surprised that it broke off. We'll beef it up a little bit. Sweet, sand it down. Both base plates are cut. I'm using 1/4 inch instead of that 10 gauge. I'll weld both of these on there and then weld the spare tire mount onto that. That looks good. Let's get all the mill scale off of this. All cleaned up. Sweet. Tack it up, weld it up. Spare tire mount is back and welded on. Everything's nice, everything's masked off. Let's paint it black. This job's done. I'm on to the next.